this is Dee with DJ Designs, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial to show you. I have been wanting to do the living hinge, and I wanted to make a purse on my new X2 P2S. And I chose this bag because it's a small bag. I can use it for going out, and I want to add purses, wooden purses, to my earring collection. And this is a free file, and I'll put a link in the description. I found it on vectorsfile.com, and it was pretty easy to do except for the gluing part. I did wind up having to use the hot glue because the other glue I had couldn't dry fast enough, and I had trouble putting it together. But it's an easy fix to get the excess glue off, but stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, right here, I did speed it up a little bit. I'm staining the 3mm basswood that I used to cut the file. I'm staining it with Folk Art antique wax. And I did get this in Hobby Lobby, but I will put a link in the description so it'll be easy to order if you wanted to order some. I like this because it does give a nice dark stain. And what I'm doing now is just taking a old t-shirt cloth, and I'm rubbing it to rub the stain into the wood to give it that so you can see some of the wood grain. Okay, this is the living hinge part. This is the side part, and I'm just doing the same thing. I'm putting the Folk Art antique wax on, and I'm wiping it with the piece of cotton. And as you can see, some of the wood grain does come out in this 3mm basswood. And I'm making sure I'm getting all the excess wax off, antique wax off, and inspecting it really good, and it's looking really good and perfect. All right, now I did take this outside because I'm doing a sealing coat, and I'm using clear coat, 2 times clear coat, and I'm using a semi-gloss because I didn't want the wood to be really shiny. You can use that, or you can use whatever spray you like. I also like that polyacrylic spray as well. And I tried gluing it, but it didn't really work out because the glue wouldn't dry fast enough. So I started using my hot gun, and I started using that a piece at a time and holding it and gluing it, and it seemed to work. The only thing, it does get excessive glue on the side, but there is an easy fix for that. I did take a lighter, and you'll see that coming up. I'm doing the other side, and I'm using glue again for the other side and making sure those tabs are in, and I'm holding it a little bit for the glue to dry. So hopefully this will work. This is a little challenge for me, but the purse did come out looking beautiful. And as you can see, I'm taking the lighter. I did have my fan on, so it was blowing a little bit, and I'm just putting the lighter on the excessive glue. And it did sort of melt away, and what didn't melt away, I was able to easily peel it off. So this worked for me. If anyone else have any other suggestions or any of the glue that I should try, but it would have to be a glue that dries pretty quickly. Really pleased with it. I think it looks really good, and just a little bit more excessive glue, but I'm really pleased the way it looks. And toward the edge, I think I had a lot more glue because I didn't know what I was doing at first. So, but this is my first one, and this is the finished product. I do like the way it looked, and this is a side view. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.